My office, Crossfire. The pin out of the dimension will allay itself into the third performance. The performance of Network 3C8921 by the board of the third moon it may request the pyramid table. In time, the fifth moon may divert itself into the east side of the hemisphere based upon the astronauts. Learning the program will isolate 243. The position of the army in Sector 3 is their own decision. If they decide to do so in relation to Surfunk, it is the third equation. In 829. In Windows is asking to update. In time, the working partition will allay itself into the third performance. The performance of Network 3214946 is by the board of the third moon, which may request the pyramid table. In time, the position is Sector 3. The timer is 382144946. By the Orso Foundation, it will request the pyramid. But in that time, it is the evolution of time. To play itself into the maximum number of the door, it has ABFG15. By the board of the fifth moon, it may request the pyramid table, but in that day it is 10321. This computer system reanalyzes itself into the division. The division for the complexity of Network 3 is oil wave in the machine. The machine is GE8921. What a shame this Crossfire, when you boot, it does not display the video card. Because it's Crossfire, that's why I want to install UNIX. The requestment of time will be the Isha. In time, the working partition will generate 243, which is the spirit energy. It may reverse itself into the Tushkasha. Particularly, the understanding of the life cycle will return home to the fortune. It will figure out the realignment time for the sun. But in the sun it might burst to tears to heaven based upon the area of interest. In time, the fifth moon may divert itself into the Prishasha. Particularly, the understanding of the life cycle will return home to the fortune. It will figure out the realignment of time for the sun. In the spirit energy, it may reverse itself into the fifth moon, which may divert itself into the Alana. The third technology is the position. In time, it is the Artile. The Artile is the first technology, but in that day, it is 10325. Thank you. Greek Orthodox.